The 2025 Bugatti Veyron remains a symbol of luxury and performance, but even an engineering marvel can have hidden issues. Here's a full review of potential problems. 1. Maintenance costs. Problem: routine maintenance, including oil changes and tire replacements, remains excessively expensive. Impact: even minor servicing costs can reach tens of thousands of dollars. 2. Cooling system. Problem: the quad-turbo W16 engine requires an advanced cooling system, which can be prone to malfunctions under extreme performance conditions. Impact: overheating could lead to expensive repairs or engine failure. 3. Transmission wear. Problem: the 7-speed DSG gearbox experiences wear under high torque and frequent high-speed driving. Impact: repairs or replacements are extremely costly. 4. Fuel consumption. Problem: despite improvements, the Veyron remains one of the least fuel-efficient hypercars. Impact: limited range per tank, especially at high speeds. 5. Electronic systems glitches. Problem: advanced infotainment and driving assistance systems may experience occasional glitches. Impact: could require software updates or hardware replacements. 6. Suspension durability. Problem: the active suspension system faces stress during high-speed cornering and road imperfections. Impact: repairs are intricate and costly. 7. Carbon fiber panel cracks. Problem: under extreme usage, carbon fiber panels might develop micro cracks. Impact: affects both aesthetics and aerodynamic efficiency. Conclusion: while the 2025 Bugatti Veyron delivers unmatched luxury and power, owners must be prepared for exceptionally high maintenance costs and occasional mechanical or electronic challenges. It remains a collector's dream but requires significant commitment for upkeep,